Hello and welcome. This is called How to Make Carbonated Nestea Original Lemon Iced Tea Blackberry Hibiscus. First thing you gotta do is you open up this lid and you go 1 tablespoon of iced tea mix, 2 tablespoons of iced tea mix. Then after that, put this lid onto the seal. And after that, pour in the water. Then after that, stir it all up. Then after that, open up this unsweet Blackberry Hibiscus Carbonated Water and pour it into this glass. Ooh, not bad. Just need to add a little more water to top it up. And here is your Carbonated Nestea Original Lemon Iced Tea Blackberry Hibiscus, folks. I hope you like it, enjoy it, and thank you for watching. Peace and prosper.